Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Renault Clio 16s and this is by Majorette and this is from the vintage series. So I bought this for 349, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So this is the first time I am buying this casting. So originally I thought I had it before, but upon looking my collection I came to know I don't have this particular one. Okay, let me just take everything out. Okay, so let's look at the card now. So here it is. You can see the detailing, the car specification here, which is really nice. I really love that Majorette includes this for every 349 range cars and above that. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really nice. It is light, not heavy and all, but okay, they actually did really nice job with the paint job because it's a glossy black. Unlike Hot Wheels, it doesn't have any issue. I mean, this is my fingerprint here. I just rubbed it now. You can see. Let me just. Okay, so I think now you can see I don't see much of an issue, maybe a little bit scratch here because it's it's, it gets contact with the blister. So, but apart from that, so these are my these are some of my fingerprints. Okay, so you can see the acrylic headlights here. The logo placement is really nice. The fog lamp is painted here, and you can see the tail light detailing as well, which is really nice. And just let me see if it is my fingerprint. Okay. Okay, it does have a little bit of scratches here, but I'm I know maybe the casting which you will be getting it is not going to have this much of scratches like I do. But overall, they really did a good job with glossy black, unlike Hot Wheels. I mean, they usually mess up that particular color. Okay, so it has good interior detailing to it, and the doors open wide. That is really nice. It snaps back into place. Okay, and the body is fully metal. The chassis is plastic. Okay, it has hood detail here. I mean, it does have a hole here literally for air intake. That is really nice. Nice detail to attend. Attention to detail. Okay. So the rims, I mean, the tires are actually plastic. That's not rubber. Let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 36 grams, not bad. I was expecting somewhere around 30 grams, but it exceeded my expectation. Okay, let's do a roll test. Nope. Once again, one more time. No, it doesn't roll really well. Sometimes the rear wheel doesn't even come in contact with the track. It just hovers a little bit. But it rolls okay. It is not really good, but it rolls okay. But overall, the casting is a good casting. I mean, I'm personally not a fan of this particular car, but it does have all the good detailing to it. I mean, the rear wipers, front wipers, all the detailing is really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love me, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.